up? So I hope everyone's doing well and amazing. So for today, we'll be doing a reading about the collective. For the collective, about whatever it is meant for you to hear. Okay, this is for whoever is meant to hear this. This is a timeless collective reading about your love life, guys. So let's go ahead and check kung ano ba nangyayari sa love life nyo. Please take note lang that this is just a general reading and may or may not resonate at all. So only take nyo lang kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate and leave what doesn't. Also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Okay? So, I already got some cards here. What's this? Okay. So, you got your third party. Third party. Wait lang, guys. Okay, so, I already got your 3 cards. And as what I can see here, we got your first third party. So, third party, interference. Maaring involve kayo sa isang situation na meron third party, of course. Maaring kayo itong nagka-third party or maaring yung person nyo to na involved sa iba. Maaring hook, I'm hearing hook na hook ang person nyo sa iba. So, maaring na-fall ang person nyo with another individual. Then, we've got here between the lines, look for what is hidden. So, maaring nahihirapan kayo pagtagpi-tagpiin kung ano ba talaga nangyari dito sa situation na to, or maaring meron kayong mga hinahanap na detalye or information about this incident or this situation. Then we got her text message. Sabi dito, unsent messages. Maaring ikaw to nag-iisip na i-text yung person mo kaso hindi mo tinutuloy. Or maaring namang yung person may nag-iisip na i-text ka kaso hindi nila tinutuloy. Okay? So, merong willingness to approach pero I don't know kung natutuloy. Okay, so let's go ahead and check. Ano ba nangyari kay collective ngayon? You've got here the Temperance card. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but someone here, I think there is a situation here na parang someone here caused conflict. Okay, merong gumawa ng mali sa isang relationship and it's like someone here has broken their promise or has broken the trust of the other person, and so that's what I see, no? And they want to somehow make it right. Okay? What is the Temperance card all about? So much spirits, and guys, you got your 3 of Cups. So someone here wants to reconnect with you. Like, gusto nila makipagbalikan, gusto nila na makipag-ayos sa inyo. Gusto nila na to come back is what I hear. Just they want to come back after like maybe getting into another connection. Maybe na-realize nila na mali yung landas na tinahak nila or yung taong pinili nila, and they want to come back towards you. By the way, you could be dealing with a Sagittarius or a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Ano pa? 7 of Wands. Someone wants to reach out towards you and parang they want to prove their point. So, gusto nilang maayos yung conflict between sa inyong dalawa, and gusto nila na ma-clear out na yung bagay-bagay na nakakapagpagulo ng sitwasyon. Sino ba tong person na to nakakonect ng ating collective? You've got here the Hierophant card, or you could be dealing with a Taurus. This is someone na committed ka. Okay? Someone na may long-term commitment kayo. Someone na traditional commitment. You know, yung kilala na ng mga tao as kayo, loyal, long-term boyfriend, girlfriend, mag-asawa, mag-live-in, or magkarelasyon na ng matagal. Someone traditional, okay? That you've been with possibly for quite a long time. Tell me more about the Hierophant, please. The 10 of Pentacles. You could have a family with this person na, or you're planning to have a family with this person. The 10 of Pentacles talks about family, stability. So you may be looking those with your person. Okay? So, maaring you're planning to settle down na sana, you're planning to, or you may even have a family with this person, kaso biglang bumaliktad yung sitwasyon, and then, nagkaroon nga ng uphill battle or nagkaroon ng problema, there has been a third party, there has been some chaos na nangyari, causing the story to flip, okay? Who is this person? Knight of Swords. Someone could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn as well. Someone wants to go rushing in towards you or come rushing in towards you fast. Okay, they want to communicate. Gusto nila makipag-usap na sa'yo. Gusto nila mag-reach out na sa'yo. Gusto nila na mag-reach out na sa'yo. Gusto na nila na kausapin ka and mag-explain and makipag-ayos sa'yo. Okay? Anong nararamdaman ng ating collective? Anong nararamdaman ng person na to sa ating collective? We have the Ace of Swords and the Two of Wands. Gusto ka nilang kausapin kasi nag-aalangan sila. Baka kasi hindi mo sila tanggapin. Nag-aalangan sila. Okay? Na gawin yun, na ituloy yun. Gusto nilang sabihin sa inyo yung totoo kasi nag-aalangan sila. Baka hindi mo tanggapin or baka magalit ka. What is the Ace of Swords and the Two of Wands here? Queen of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. So you may be the Divine Feminine. You, the one who's watching this video. Ikaw siguro si Divine Feminine sa relationship. And gusto lang nila mag-sorry sa'yo kasi of all your efforts, ganyan, na nasaktan ka nila. Maybe you have been loyal to them, very devoted to them, very loving and loyal and caring towards them, pero nagawa ka pa rin nilang lokohin. What is the Ace of Swords and the Two of Wands? Page of Swords. So, maaaring may energy ng stalking ako nakikita dito. Maaaring sinistalk na lang nila kayo for the meantime, okay? I'm seeing here, parang may period of no communication. Maaaring may nag-stalk lang sa Facebook, ganyan, sa Instagram, may nag-stalk lang sa social media para makabalita dun sa isa. Ano nararamdaman ng ating collective towards this person? You have here the King of Cups. So, I'm seeing here collective ko na mahal na mahal nyo pa rin tong person na to. You just want them to step up. Okay? You just want them to step up and possibly iwanan na yung third party and and do the right thing. Okay? Itapon yung dapat itapon and come rushing in towards you and offer you love. What is the King of Cups as to my collective's feelings? You have here the Magician card. So this is the card of Aries. So you just want to manifest abundance with this person. Gusto mo lang mag-manifest ng parang lifetime. Like what has been promised. Yung narinig ko. Ano na-promise in the past, gusto mong matupad yun. Ano yung na-promise sa habang magkasama kayo noon before pa nasira yung relationship, gusto mo na maging maayos yun. Yung emotions and yung commitment, gusto mong maging intact ulit. Okay? What is the King of Cups as the feelings of my collective? You have here the Nine of Wands, the reverse. So, maybe right now, nandun ka sa stage na parang hindi mo alam kung kamusta na si person mo, hindi mo alam kung parang ano naman balita sa kanya, and you want them to reach out to you. That's what I get. Gusto mo nang maayos, ma-fix yung problem between you both. Ano ang naiisip ng person na to? Tigiganan tayong tigisang card. Six of Swords. So, they want to move towards calmer waters towards you. They want to parang fix the situation. Gusto nilang mag-improve yung situation between the both of you. Gusto nila na gusto nila na from being stagnant and parang natalo, ganyan, sa isang sitwasyon, gusto nila mag-improve yun, na parang naging panalo. And, alam niyo, maipanalo yung situation between the both of you. And then, ano naman naiisip ng ating collective sa kanilang person? You've got here the 8 of Wands. So, ikaw, naghihintay ka lang ng communication towards them. You also want communication from them. You want action, okay? Sa connection na to, you want either them to take action or gusto mo umaction dito sa situation na to. Okay? Ano ang currently bagay na dapat ka namin malaman sa relationship na to? You have here the King of Pentacles. So, I'm seeing here na kung may nagka-third party, ma'am, medyo detached na sila, no? Detached na sila dito sa third party na to. And I'm seeing here na parang medyo wala na yung energy ng third party sa kanila. I'm seeing as well na maaaring nag-feeling relationship, gano'n. And I'm seeing them na just possibly trying to focus on their money and finances. Slowly building themselves up. What is the King of Pentacles as to ano pa nang dapat namin malaman? 3 of Wands. So, yung person mo gustong pumunta towards you, start something new towards you. Okay. Gusto nila ng parang kalimutan na lahat from the past and then start a new chapter with you. What is the King of Pentacles all about? Queen of Swords. So gusto nilang itigil na yung maling ginagawa sa relationship and kung puro stalking man lang kayo sa social media, gusto na rin nilang itigil yon. Gusto na nilang to do the right thing. It's like, ayaw na nilang makipagtaguan sa'yo. Gusto na nilang makipag-usap sa'yo. And maibalik lahat sa dati. If can pa rin. If kaya pa rin. Ano future actions ng person na ito kay collective ko? You have here the Sun card with the 5 of Cups. So, gusto lang nilang maging positive ulit yung situation ng dalawa. Parang gusto nilang mag-emerge from out of nowhere. And then, etong situation na parang puro lungkot, puro hinagpis, puro sayang nawala siya, sayang kasi, alam mo yun, na parang nasayang na yung relationship is if i-flip nila ulit yung story. O if i-flip ulit nila and parang gagawin nila na good yung story, okay, na parang babawi sila and gagawin nilang positibo yung outcome, okay? What is ano pa dapat namin malaman? So, 8 of Pentacles, this person just wants to build with you, okay, slowly but surely, darating ang panahon na makikita mo na lang gusto nila makipag-build with you, okay, i-repair yung relationship, and gusto nila na ayusin muli yung relasyon ng dalawa, okay? Anything else? 8 of Cups and the 4 of Cups. So, aalis na sila doon sa sitwasyon na parang siguro gagawin na nila yung gusto mo, hindi na nila gagawin yung nakakapagpalungkot sa'yo. Okay? Babawi na sila sa'yo. Hindi na sila gagawa ng mga bagay na parang makakapagpa-disappoint sa'yo. Okay, last 3 cards for this reading. You've got here the Knight of Wands. So, gusto nila lang passionate new beginning towards you. Gusto nilang magpunta sa'yo at ipahayag sa'yo na gaano kanila na-miss and gaano nila gusto nilang makapagbalikan sa'yo. Yeah, 2 of Cups as your last card. as your last card. So, gusto lang nila na mag-take na leap of faith and to start something new with you, mag-reconcile, okay? Ibalik yung love story nyo, ibalik yung muling tamis ng pagmamahalan ninyong dalawa. Okay? Yung dating kayo na, alam mo yun, may deep commitment towards each other. Okay? So, let's get some cards just to get messages from them. So, this is my messages from your person. Let's see. Anong mensahe ng tao na to? I want you. See? They badly want you. They want to be with you. Gusto ka nilang makasama. Gusto ka nilang makapiling ulit. Gusto ka nilang makausap. Maging sa'yo ulit. Mga ganun. And I need space in the reverse. Naka-reverse siya. I need space in the reverse. Maaring ngayon hindi pa kayo nag-uusap. Maaring may space pa rin sa ngayon. Pero they are slowly thinking of getting back. Or they really want to get back. Okay. Now is not the time in the reverse. So, naiisip na talaga nila na naiisip na nila. It's like nasa ano na ng utak nila na mag-reach out na sa inyo. And, puro naka-reverse. Ba't ganon? We were always meant to meet. It was written in the stars. In the reverse. We're always meant to meet. It was written in the stars. So, parang, I'm feeling the energy here that they're sorry for what they did. And, parang siguro nasasayangan sila sa connection nyo. Nasasayangan sila sa connection nyo. Nasasayangan sila sa relationship na nasira. And so, they want to repair this. They want to build this again. Okay? Is what I'm hearing. Okay? And, what else? Meron pa ba? So, advice para kay collective ko how to address this issue is the take time out and the answer will come. So, mag-relax ka lang daw, continue to pray about this relationship, continue to just relax, do whatever it is that you have to do with yourself, and then, at the right time, your person will come in again and wanting to reconnect with you. Okay? So, that's all. That's all what I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please don't forget to click this video, to like, share, and subscribe to this video or to this channel. Thank you so much, guys. You have a good one. Good night. Bye-bye.